scientists have made a remarkable discovery deep within the Earth's mantle. Massive structures, far larger than anything ever observed before, have been detected up to 1,000 kilometers down beneath the surface using powerful scanning technology. These immense structures, some over 1,000 kilometers wide, are located in the transition zone between the upper and lower mantle. The researchers believe these structures are remnants of an ancient planetary body known as Theia. Theia was a Mars-sized planet that is theorized to have collided with the early Earth over 4 billion years ago. This cataclysmic impact released material that coalesced to form the Moon. The theory proposes that when Theia crashed into Earth, parts of its dense metal core sank down into Earth's mantle, explaining the massive structures we see today. Their composition aligns with what scientists predict Theia's core would have been made of. The remnants have survived intact within Earth's mantle for billions of years since the collision. This groundbreaking discovery was made using a new technique called mantle tomography. Powerful scanners fire beams through the planet and detect anomalies by measuring how seismic waves travel through the interior. This enables researchers to map the mantle's contents far below the crust. When the scanner data revealed the unexpected massive structures, scientists realized they did not match any known feature of Earth's mantle composition. Further analyses supported the shocking conclusion that these must be remnants of Theia's ancient core, providing some of the first direct physical evidence of the cosmic collision that formed our Moon. If confirmed, this finding supports the giant impact hypothesis that has become the leading explanation for the Moon's origins. For decades, scientists have suggested that a Mars-sized body called Theia collided with early Earth and the debris formed the Moon. Isotopic analysis of lunar samples has strengthened the theory. Computer simulations demonstrate this impact could have ejected enough debris into orbit to form the Moon. Now, finally discovering remnants of Theia buried deep within Earth's own mantle provides tantalizing support that this dramatic theory may indeed be true. Further research aims to confirm the remnant structure's composition and precisely date them to match the predicted time frame of Theia's collision. Uncovering physical traces of this ancient planetary collision will greatly advance our understanding of the Moon's origins and early solar system history. The discovery highlights how modern science continues to reveal new mysteries and insights about the cataclysmic events that shaped our planet so long ago.